Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. This is the all-new generation Mercedes-Benz S-Class, the 2021 model. So in this video I will show you how this specific S-Class drives on the autobahn on high speed. Because this is the S580, a V8 model which comes next year during summer. A little bit later in time, but now we can enjoy the full autobahn road. As you can see, I have very soft cushions, headrest behind my head. This is new for the generation S-Class. So right now we are on the autobahn, and we can enjoy the full road for us. So let's see how this S580 accelerates. I have it on the exclusive view, but I will put it on classic. We are driving 120 kilometers an hour, and let's accelerate. Almost 180. Driving in the Sport Plus mode, I will change the dynamic select to comfort. And the sound isolation is very good. In this new generation S-Class, it is not only about the comfort level, it is also about the convenience. So if you want to truly relax, just get on to speed and activate the Distronic Plus. And now the steering assist and lane keeping assist are all activated. And this is the predecessor S-Class. I will just indicate to the left. And if I hit the home button, swipe up and swipe to the right, you can see assistance. It actually recognizes whether there's a truck, a car in front of you or next to you, and it drives autonomously. It tells me to put my hand on the steering wheel, and with this new generation, just like in the E-Class facelift, you just have to slightly touch it or have your hands near the steering wheel for the sensors to pick it up. In the previous generation, you really had to pull the steering wheel to give it some weight in order for the system to recognize that you're actually paying attention. So there's a car on the left. If I blink, I will be warned with the blind spot assist. Brakes automatically. And now it searches for the right distance. So I have the cruise control, the Distronic Plus, set to 180 kilometers an hour, and it is following the car in front of me. This system also recognizes the car in front of the car in front of me. So it is very advanced, the system. And with my head-up display, I can see how this car projects. So the speed limit is, there is no more speed limit. And the cruise control is automatically set to 200 kilometers an hour. You can also increase it. Pressing the home button, I will go to the right for information. And this is the engine, torque and power in kilowatt. You can also make this a passive system, so if you actually press the gas pedal, it shows you with red lines that you are doing something that the car isn't expecting. So I accelerate myself, there you can see the red lines because it brakes automatically. And now the car moves forward, as well does this S-Class. There's also a stage 4 autonomous driving, and then you have these buttons on the top of the steering wheel, but this one doesn't have it. It is of course optional. So let's go to the navigation. I will cancel the Dystonic Plus because it is driving over 200 kilometers an hour, and let's drive a little bit less fast. So guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you like this video with the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, the newest generation. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.